Love it or hate it, the 2023 Nissan Z is upon us. So what do you get for the money? Let's get into it on MtnRoads. We'll start with the technical specs for the 2023 Nissan Z. The 2023 Nissan Z's wheelbase is 100.4 inches, which is the same as the previous 370Z. Its length is 172.4 inches, which is an almost 5-inch increase over the 370Z. The Z's height is 51.8 inches, which is the same as the 370Z. The Nissan Z's width is 72.6 inches, which is also unchanged from the 370Z. The Z's interior headroom comes in at 38.2 inches, and legroom is 42.9 inches. The 2023 Nissan Z is available in 3 different trims: Sport, Performance, and Protospec. We'll not be going over the Protospec since it is a limited edition. Only the Sport and Performance trims will be covered. Both Nissan Z trim levels use the VR30 DDTT 3-liter V6 twin-turbo engine. This engine is good for 400 horsepower and 350 pound-feet at 5,600 RPM. This is a 68 horsepower and 80 pound-foot increase over the previous 370Z 3.7-liter V6. Both the Sport and Performance trim are available with a no-cost choice of either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 9-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. The 6-speed equipped models come with a carbon fiber drive shaft. All automatic models come with launch control and have 2 available driving modes: Standard and Sport. The automatic equipped Nissan Z returns 19 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway, while manually equipped Zs return 18 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. Both Nissan Z trims only come as rear-wheel drive. Each Z trim also comes with the dash-mounted 3-bay gauge cluster. That includes turbocharger boost, turbocharger turbine speed, and voltmeter. I'll just be giving you highlights of the standard features for each Nissan Z trim. If you'd like a more detailed look, there will be links down in the description. We'll start with the standard features of the Nissan Z Sport trim. The Nissan Z Sport rides on dark painted aluminum alloy wheels that are 18x9 all around. The Sport trim alloy wheels get a set of Yokohama Advanced Sport tires. The Sport trim gets power assisted anti-lock vented disc brakes with 12.6 inch rotors on the front with cast iron 2-piston calipers and 12.1 inch rotors on the back with cast iron single piston calipers. Intelligent auto LED headlights with DRLs sit on the front, and LED taillights also stretch across the back. The interior of the Sport trim gets black woven cloth sport bucket seats. The driver gets an 8-way manually adjustable seat, while the passenger gets a 4-way manually adjustable seat. The driver gets a 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel that sits on a manual tilt and telescopic steering column. The driver also gets a new standard 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that, when equipped with a 6-speed manual, has a programmable shift-up timing indicator. The Sport also gets a Nissan audio system with 6 speakers and an 8-inch touchscreen in the center stack. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with Bluetooth hands-free phone and Siri Eyes-free. Other niceties for the Nissan Z Sport include intelligent cruise control. The occupants get a front center console with armrest and storage bin. There are also 2 USB charging ports available, one Type A and one Type C. Front and rear parking sensors are also standard. Safety and driver assistance features include automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, lane departure warning, and rear cross traffic alert. Vehicle dynamic control, a traction control system, and a tire pressure monitoring system are also all standard. The Nissan Z occupants are protected with driver and passenger airbags with dual-stage inflation, along with driver and passenger seat-mounted side impact supplemental airbags and roof-mounted curtain side impact supplemental airbags. The Nissan Z Sport 9-speed automatic and 6-speed manual both start at $39,990. Now we're moving up to the Nissan Z Performance trim. The Nissan Z Performance wheels get upgraded to a raised, super lightweight forged aluminum alloy set. The Nissan Z Performance uses a staggered set with 19.95 inches on the front and 19 by 10 inches on the rear. The staggered wheels now wear Bridgestone Potenza S007 high-performance tires. The Z Performance also gets upgraded brakes with 14-inch rotors on the front with now standard red-painted 4-piston calipers, and 13.8-inch rotors on the rear with red-painted 2-piston calipers. The interior of the Performance trim is upgraded with leather-appointed seating accented with synthetic suede inserts. Suede is now also found on the door trim. The Performance Z seating gets a unique seat cushion and side bolster design. The driver now gets a 4-way power adjustable seat with manual lifter lumbar and thigh support, and the passenger gets a 4-way power adjustable seat. The driver also gets aluminum trimmed sport pedals. The performance trim gets a Bose audio system with 8 speakers, active noise cancellation, and active sound enhancement. The center stack is also upgraded to a 9-inch touchscreen. Performance grade models utilize a mechanical clutch type limited slip differential. The manual performance model gets a launch assist system and downshift rev matching, and the automatic performance model gets unique paddle shifters with the same design as the GTR. The Nissan Z Performance 9-speed automatic and 6-speed manual both start at $49,990. The 2023 Nissan Z is available in Black Diamond Metallic, Gun Metallic, Rosewood Metallic, Brilliant Silver, Boulder Gray, Siren Blue, Ikazuchi Yellow, Passion Red Tricoat, and Everest White Tricoat. Here's one more look at the prices for the 2023 Nissan Z Sport and Nissan Z Performance. And here's another vehicle you should check out. If you made it this far, hope you'll like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Mountain Roads.